I want to teach you real quick how to build your business credit the right way. When you have accounts like net 30s and net 15s, you want to pay them off early. This paying off early is going to help them to see that you're more responsible. In their mind, they're going to say, I gave you this amount of money, you used this much, you were supposed to pay me back on this day, but you paid me back early. So when you do that, your business credit scores are going to go a lot higher, and it's going to be easier for you to build your business profile out. All right, my friends. So if you like this type of content and you want to learn how to level up in life, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can stay up to date and you can see more videos just like this from me. I also want you to click the notification bell so you can make sure you always get notified, because we put out a video every single day. We don't miss. Every single day we have a new piece of content dropping for you. So subscribe, like, and share, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. So make sure you pay your accounts off early. If it's a net 30, pay it off in 20 days. If it's a net 15, pay it off in 10 days. You want to make sure you pay it off early, because the faster you pay it off, the higher your scores can jump a lot faster. But you don't want to pay it off too fast. If it's a net 15, don't pay it off next day. Wait a couple of days and then pay it off after like 10 days or 5 days before it's due. Then you pay it off early. And if you do that, you'll be one step closer to living a rich life.